Hi to all, my name is Rana Mahindra. Today I will explain about Indian all details like India, states and all information. Today I will explain. And from that we can see from Atlas One app. This app, from this app we can see. I will provide description link this app. And first one is any country we can search and we can see details. First I will search India. This is I'm an Indian and first country is India. The capital is New Delhi and continent is in Asia. The India is in Asia and official name is Republic of India. And region is in Asia and sub-region is Southern Asia. And currency is Indian rupees. And GDP is 1,876,707 US dollars. And languages is in which in India they speaks is Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil, Urdu, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya, Punjabi, Assami, Santali, Kashmiri, Nepali, Sindhi, Konkani, Dogri, Manipuri, Sanskrit, French and Mizo. And the population is 139 crores 31 lakhs 32,317 kilometers. And area is 3,287,590 square kilometers. And India shares the borders with Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar. Myanmar is also called Burma. And China, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And the phone number code is 91. And India's latitude is 20.0 and longitude is 77.0. And we are going to map. And this is India. And today I will explain about Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh capital is Amravati and Visakhapatnam. There is two capitals. And the languages which is speaking is Telugu. And there is some airports that which in some cities is in Tirupati, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Pulikat. And there is seaport is in Visakhapatnam, Machilipatnam and Kakinad. And places of tourist interest and attractive places in Andhra Pradesh is Amravati, Tirupati, Visakhapatnam. And we are going to next is Arunachal Pradesh. The Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. And languages speak is Mompa, Aptani, Tagin and some languages that speak in Arunachal Pradesh. And airports is in Tezu. And there is no seaport. And tourist of people interest and attractive places is Itanagar, Vijayanagar is most attractive. And other next state is Assam. Assam capital is Dispur, we know. And languages is spoken in is Assami, Bengali. And airport is in Tezpur, Jorhat, Libari, and there is no seaport, and people of tourist tourist interest is Guwahati and Manas. And we are going to next is Bihar. Bihar. And Bihar is capital is Patna, and language spoken is Hindi, Bhojpuri, and the airport is in Patna and Gaya, and there is no seaport. And tourist interest is in Nalanda, Patna, Vaishali. These are some tourist interest and attractive places in Bihar. And next is Chhattisgarh. The Chhattisgarh is capital is Naya Raipur, and the language spoken in Chhattisgarh is Hindi, and airport is in Raipur. And tourists attractive and interest in they will keep in Raipur, Bastar, Sirpur. And next is Goa. The Goa capital is Panaji, and language spoken is in Konkani, Marathi, Bhojpuri. And airport is in Panaji and Dabolim. And seaport is in Vasco, Panaji, and Madgo. And places of tourist interest and attractive places is Bandala, Madgo, Kolwa, Panaji, Agnanda, Ponda, Vasco, Mapusa. And Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar, and language spoken is Gujarati, Hindi, Sindhi, Marathi. In airport is in Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Jamnagar. And seaport is in Kandla, Okha, Porbandar. And places of tourist interest and attractive places are Ahmedabad, Dwaraka, Gandhinagar, Rajkot, and Haryana. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Language spoken is Punjabi. And airport is in Chandigarh, Hisar, Naranal, and Karnal. There is no seaport. And tourist interest is in Kurukshetra, Panipat, Sultanpur. And going to Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla, and Hindi, the language spoken is Hindi and Pahari. And airports is in Shimla, Kulu, Kangra. And places of tourist interest is Dalhouse, Kulu, Manali, Kothi, Dharmashala, Shimla. And Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir capital is Srinagar. And the winter capital is Jammu, and summer capital is Srinagar. And languages is Urdu, Kashmiri, Dogri, Ladakhi. And airports is in Srinagar, Jammu and Leh. There is no seaport. And places of tourist interest and attractive places are Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahagam, Leh, and Jharkhand. And Jharkhand is capital is Ranchi. Language spoken is Hindi, Maithili, Urdu in some places. Airport is in Ranchi and Jashmedpur. And places of tourist interest is Ranchi, Jashmedpur, and Bokaro, and Palam. And going to next state is Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bangalore, and language spoken is Kannada, and airport is in Bangalore, Hubbali and Mangaluru, and seaport is in Karwar, New Mangaluru. And places of tourist interest is Badami, Bandipur, Nandi Hills, Ralchu, Mysuru and Bangalore. And next state we are going to Kerala. The Kerala capital is Tirunanthapuram, and the language is Malayalam, and airport is in Kochi, Tirunanthapuram, and seaport is in Kochi. And places of tourist and interest and attractive places are Kovala, Guruvyar, Thrissur, Kaladi. And going to another state is Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal, and languages spoken is in Hindi, and airport is in Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur, and places of tourist interest is Sanchi, Shivpur, Kanha, Bandwarag. And next is Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai, and languages spoken is Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi. Airport is in Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad, Nagpur. Seaport is in Mumbai, and places of tourist interest is Aurangabad, Lonavala, Kandala, Nasik. And next is Manipur. The Manipur capital is Imphal, and the language spoken is Manipuri. Airport is Imphal. There is no seaport, and places of tourist is Imphal, Loktak and Kaina. And another is Meghalaya. Meghalaya capital is Shillong, and Khasi Garo, and the airport is in Shillong, Tura, heliport. And places of tourist interest is Sohra, Shillong. And going to another is Mizoram. Mizoram capital is Aizawl, and language spoken is Mizo and English. And airports in Aizawl, and places of tourist interest is Aizawl and Sahia. And Nagaland, we are going to Nagaland now. The capital is Kohima, and language spoken is English, Konyank, Angami, Sima, Lotha, and airport is in Dimapur. And places of tourist interest is Dimapur, Kohima, Pekka, and Odisha. Now Odisha. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar, and the language spoken is Oriya Hindi, and the airport in Bhubaneswar and Rakhole, and seaport is in Paradip, Gopalpur, and places of tourist interest is Bhubaneswar, Konark, Puri. And Punjab, we are going now Punjab. Punjab capital is Chandigarh, and language spoken is Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu. Airport is in Chandigarh, Amritsar, Ludhiana. And places of tourist interest is Amritsar, Anandpur, Jalandhar, Nagal, Sangal. And next is Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur, and the language spoken is Hindi, Rajasthani, and the airports in Jaipur, Jodhpur, Kota, Udaipur. And places of tourist interest is Bharatpur, Alwar, Jaipur, Ajam, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Udaipur. And next is Sikkim. The Sikkim capital is Gangtok, and the languages is Lepcha and Bhutia, Hindi, Nepali. And the places of tourist interest is Gangtok and next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai, and languages spoken is Tamil, and airport is in Chennai, Madurai, Trichy, Coimbatore, and seaport in Chennai. Places of tourist interest is Kachipur, Rameswaram, Tanjavur, Trichy, Chennai, Madurai. And next is Telangana. Telangana capital is Hyderabad, and language spoken is Telugu and some places Urdu. And airport is in Hyderabad and Warangal. And places of tourist interest is Golconda, Nagarjuna Sagar, Warangal. And Tripura, we are going to Tripura. Tripura capital is Agartala, and languages is Bengali, Kakabarth, Manipuri. And airport is in Agartala, Kaileshwar, Kamalpur. And places of tourist interest is Agartala, Dumpur. And next is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun, and the languages is Gaharwali, Hindi. And airport is in Dehradun, Haridwar, Pantanagar. And places of tourist interest is Haridwar, Kedarnath, Gangotri. And Uttar Pradesh, the capital is Lucknow, and the languages is Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri. The airports in Allahabad, Agra, Lucknow, Jhansi, Kanpur, Varanasi. And places of tourist interest is Haridwar, Gangotri, and West Bengal. West Bengal capital is Kolkata, and the language spoken is Bengali. Airport is in Kolkata, Durgapur, and seaport Diamond Harbour. And the places of tourist interest is Kolkata, Sundarbans, Darjeeling, Digha, Gangasagar. And Delhi, the national capital territory. The capital is Delhi, and language spoken is Hindi, Punjabi. Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport. And places of tourist interest is India Gate, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar, Old Fort. And facts. The population is 139 crores 31 lakhs 32,317, and sex ratio is 0.9, literacy is 74%, transportation 3.3 million kilometers, and railways 33,327 kilometers, and 449 airports. Waterways is 14,500. Economy GDP is $3.2 trillion. GDP per capita is $2,800. Thanks for watching this video. Do you like this video? Like and subscribe channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.